You know, some people, they call me a dirtbag. I'm here to tell you, it's not true. Well, I guess kind of today is. We're hanging out with Greenhorizons sod farms. And you probably know these things, called a BigYellowBag. If you don't know about them, we're learning more from Mike Sheetal. How you doing, Mike?
How's it going?
What's going on, man? I know Mother Nature isn't cooperating at the beginning of the spring, is she?
Yeah, we got a little bit of snow here a couple days ago, but she's gonna leave.
We always kind of forget. We always get that one last push of winter, right?
You always get one more shot, but
yeah. You guys are getting ready for your busy season, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We're already rolling. We're already into it here.
Okay, so let's get into the BigYellowBags, because when did it first start?
So the first year we started selling BigYellowBags was in 1992.
Okay.
And when it actually started, it was actually in a white bag. We're a sod farm first, and we were looking for another product that we could bring to the markets to help for their lawns and their gardens. Since then, we've been expanding into our Cambridge and our Hamilton, both areas.
So let's, Dwayne, you want to pick up one of these BigYellowBags, because this is what happens. You order a BigYellowBag, and the big truck will come. Yep. And we got Dwayne here with the forklift.
Yep. So when you order a bag, you can either order online, or you can order over the phone. We typically do 2-3 day delivery, and when you order, a truck driver will come by with one of our trucks here and a forklift. He'll pick her off the truck and he'll drop it right into the driveway. Nice and convenient. You don't have to be home to take delivery. You just mark an X.
Because what used to happen, like so you would order some dirt or some soil, and they just dump it right on the driveway.
Exactly.
And it would just be a mess.
So if you needed a cubic yard of soil, you know, traditionally you would order it from the garden center. They'd dump a big pile on your driveway. It could rain.
Okay, so there's the X. I don't know if you see the X.
There's the X.
So that's all you have to do. Just put the X wherever you want it cut.
You don't even have to be home to take delivery. You just mark an X. You can do it with chalk. You can do it with tape. You can do it with hockey sticks, whatever you like. Okay. Mark the X, and the truck driver will know to drop it right there.
So how much dirt do we got in here?
So it's 1 full cubic yard. That's the other good thing about buying it in a bag. You know what you're getting instead of it getting dumped on your driveway. You know that you're getting a cubic yard. Okay. And what we're selling here, it's not a triple mix. It's a quadruple mix is what we call it, and it's pure organic soils.
We're going to get into soil talk when we come back with Mike, but the other point I want to make too is a lot of people see the snow on the ground and not really in mindset of getting those beds ready, but you don't want to be waiting until like the May 2-4 weekend, because that's when really everybody wants to be ordering at the same time.
Yeah, that's right. You know, a lot of our customers are already ordering the bag now. Yeah. The bag is weather resistant, and it's resealable. So when you get it dropped off, you can leave it in the driveway until you're ready for it. It's actually looking like it's going to be a really nice weekend this weekend. You know, so you could order now. It could be in your driveway
and then
for the weekend.
Yours. You keep the bag.
The bag is yours to keep. It's your bag, but if you want to bring it back, we do recycle the bags, and we give our customers a $5 refund for the bag.
Nice. This is good that I get to get dirty, because it looks like I'm going to be busy when I get back to the office. We're going to get into a little soil talk. We're going to be nerding out with some soil with Mike and the whole gang of Greenhorizons Sod Farms on Morning Live. Might have a little dirt on my boots.